Hello guys, it's Abhishek and you're watching TechSet. You can also watch my other videos from my playlist to gain more knowledge, because in my channel you will get all you need in tech. As you know that in my last video we were discussing how to install RHEL 7.6 by command line, and we had configured time zone and software selection. Rest configuration we are gonna complete in this video. So without any further ado, let's start. We have already configured second and fourth option. Now fifth option is installation destination. Here we need to select hard disk in which we want to install RHEL 7.6. For that, just press number 5 from your keyboard and press enter. As you press enter, you will see that one disk is selected which has a size of 580 gigs and your disk is already selected. You gotta just press C to continue. Select use all space, which is already selected. Just press C to continue. Now you will see some options like you want to create your partition in BTR, FS, LVM or standard partition. Here we need to select first option, which is standard partition. Press C to continue. Now you can see it has been configured. Leave sixth option as it is, and next option is network settings. To configure this, you can press number 7 from your keyboard and continue to network settings, but it is not recommended that you have to configure this option at the time of installation. So to save our time, I'm not gonna configure it right now. Next option is root password, and to configure root password, press number 8 from your keyboard and press enter. Now type your desired password for root and press enter, and confirm your password, then again press enter. It is done now. Let's move to the last option, which is user creation, and to create user, just press number 9 from your keyboard and hit enter. Press 1 to select create user, then enter. Press 2 to provide full name of user. Type any name. Suppose I'm typing test. You can see full name and username has been filled up. If you want to use password for this user, press 4 and hit enter. This box has been selected. Let's provide password to this user. For that, simply press 5 and hit enter. Now type any desired password. Confirm your password. If you get any notification like you have provided a weak password and would you like to continue with that, then you need to type yes and press enter. Now if you want to use this test user as an admin, then you can select sixth option, but here I'm not gonna use test user as an admin. So I'm leaving rest option as it is. Press C to continue, then press enter. Now refresh the terminal by pressing R and you can see all the options has been configured and completed. Last step is press B to begin installation. As you press B, it will start the installation of RHEL 7. So installation process has been started and it will take 5 to 7 minutes. I'm pausing this video and we will continue the installation of RHEL 7.6 by CMD in next part. Question time guys. Now tell me, to create partition in Linux, what type of partition I have selected, and your options are option A BTRFS, option B standard partition, option C LVM. You can type your answers in next 10 seconds below the comment section. So that's all from my side. If you like my videos, then hit like, make comments, share my videos on WhatsApp and Facebook so that we can spread the knowledge. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.